Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Qubo account, active subscription, and project ID. Once done, log into the web console or install the Qubo CLI. Choose the interface you prefer. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled if your org mandates it. This prevents access failures later. Enter your username and password and then authenticate with 2FA. After successful login, locate the target project and region so you can move directly to storage configuration without backtracking. Once logged in, navigate to storage and open buckets, or run the equivalent CLI list command for your project. You'll see bucket names and metadata. Select the intended bucket and verify IAM policies so your user or service account has read or write permissions. If you need programmatic access, generate a signed URL or create access keys. If you mount storage to a VM, follow the mount instructions for your OS. Make sure to use the SDK snippet, matching your language, to avoid misconfiguration. To finish, upload and download a small test object to confirm end-to-end access and validate checksums. This proves your permissions and network path are correct. Once confirmed, enforce key rotation and remove any unused tokens to reduce risk. If you encounter problems, check IAM audit logs and ensure the bucket region matches your client settings. Many failures stem from region mismatches or missing roles. If CLI returns an error code, copy it and consult the error message for precise remediation step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.